Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain step by step how I created a simple web page that contains two websites in one, an e-commerce mini shop and a flight booking interface. I'll walk you through the HTML, the CSS, why each part is there, and then I'll show you the final results. So these are HTML file containing our HTML code, and these are CSS. So we've linked this CSS to our HTML file using the link tag. Okay, but before we start, let me show you what we are building. So this is what we are building. Very two beautiful websites on one page. So on my left we have our shop, our online shop, and on my right we have we have our flight booking interface. Everything here is built with only HTML and CSS, no JavaScript yet. So guys, let's get back to our code. I will explain quickly and I will drop down the code at my bio so you can check and then you can make your own website using it. You can create your own, okay guys? So let's start with the HTML. At the top, we have a div class container. This container holds the two mini websites, the e-commerce and the flight website. Okay. So let's start with the e-commerce. We have our div class. Um, Inside our div, we have our title, giving it to be ShopEase, our navigation bar to be containing home, the shop, the contact. We also have our search bar and also our products. We also have three different products here. Okay, we created just three products. So the first product has an image here, and the product also has a name. It also has a price. Okay, and we also have add to cart button here. Yes, so if you click on the add to cart, there will be no effect because we haven't add um, JavaScript to it yet. Okay, so this repeats for the other two, and including the flight website too. Yeah, we repeated everything like how we did the code and all that to this place. Okay, so we also added button to be thanking thanking the customers for shopping with us, and also we have our exist button. So let's quickly run through the flight websites. So as we did for the first website, the e-commerce, the flight website also has a simple structure. So at the top we have a hero section with background image and text. So, and then we have a search box from to departure and return date input plus a search button. So under that we have the popular destinations. We have the popular destination section, which is similar to the product card, an image, a title, and a price, like how we did for the first website. Yeah. So I'll quickly brush in to the CSS styling, and I will drop down the code so that you can go through and then make your own beautiful website. So now at the top, I resetted the margin to 0, padding to 0, box sizing to border box, font family to Arial, like here. So this makes everything looks consistent. It makes everything look consistent. Okay. The body has a white smoke color, yeah, and some padding around it. So let's get back to our container. So the magic of placing both websites side by side happens inside the container. So the container uses display to flex and flex direction to rows. We have our gap to be 25 pixels, justify content to the center. Okay, yeah, and each card or each box was also styled up. So we have white background for each box and also rounded corners, paddings and soft shadow to every box inside the the website or the web page or the web, yes. So now guys, like, yeah, this is how everything works. So the products are stacked vertically using flex direction, color and gap value. Product card design. So each product card has padding, rounded corners, so, and light background. And on hover, it scales slightly. That's the line here. That is a hover line scales slightly using this. Okay. So I'm just highlighting the main or yeah the main parts of the code. So the image fills the full width of the card and keep their shape using object fit cover. This makes sure they don't stretch. Okay. Object fix. Yeah, here's it. This makes sure they don't stretch out. Okay. Yeah. So the hero section uses background image with height background size to be covered. The dark overlay is created using background color. Using background color to be this. Yeah, exactly. So this is the text readable no matter what images is used. Okay. The fly search section is vertical form. Each input has padding, borders, and rounded corners. These are native date pickers. So your browser automatically turns them into calendar. So guys, let me go to our page and then demonstrate what I'm talking about to you. Yeah, so the fly section is vertical form, okay? Each input has padding, as I said. So the native date picker, here is it. If you click on it, just just shows you the calendar. The calendar automatically appears for you to choose the date. So for example, we choose our date here. Yes, and then our return dates we can choose. So yeah, that's what the dates or the native date picker does. Yeah. The destination uses the same card styles as the product. Again, I use the hover effect to make the scale slide or like as in the scale slightly. Yes, it's, see when you click on it, it slightly appears bigger. Yes, so that's what the hover does. Yeah, so this is what the hover does. It happens to every product here. I did that with, for every product. And that's it for today. We built a clean web page or a clean page with two mini websites using only HTML and CSS. And I walked you through how each part works. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and let me know what you want the next tutorial to be at the comment section. Thank you and see you. later. Bye.